that your better is best. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. This is Aisha from grade 9. Today is 3rd May 2015 and today is Tuesday. It's the turn of class 5A to present their morning assembly. Let's start. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I, Maryam Fatma from class 5A, welcome you all to a very pleasant morning on Tuesday, May 3, 2016, Islamic Day, 25th Rajab 1437 Hijri. Today, it is the turn of our class to carry out the morning assembly, and the theme of our assembly is Save Water, Save Nature, Save Future. So to start the day with the holy name of Allah, I request Saad Ahmad to recite and Yalis Shakir to translate a few verses from the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and ever merciful, we have made every living thing from water and spirit. खुदा का जिक्र करे जिक्रे मुस्तफा ना करे हमारे मुंह में हो ऐसी जुबा खुदा ना करे. I will invite Dua Masood to express her feelings to praise the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. या रब मेरी सोई हुई तकदीर जगा दे आंखें मुझे दी हैं तुम्हारी नामी दिखा दे आंखें मुझे दी हैं तुम्हारी नामी दिखा दे सुनने की जो कुव्वत है मुझे बख्शी है खुदावत सुनने की जो कुव्वत है मुझे बख्शी है खुदावत फिर मस्जिद नबवी की अज़ानें भी सुना दे आंखें मुझे दी हैं तुम्हारी नामी दिखा दे आंखें मुझे दी हैं तुम्हारी नामी दिखा दे या रब मेरी सोई हुई तकदीर जगा दे आंखें मुझे दी हैं तुम्हारी नामी दिखा दे. Speeches are the best way to increase the confidence of the kid. To deliver a speech on the topic importance of water, I invite Manis Bilal. Please welcome him. Honorable Principal, worthy Vice Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I will talk on a very important topic, that is importance of water. My dear fellows, water is important for the continuity of life on earth. It is the basic needs of human beings, animals, plants, and other living organisms. Without water, we can't imagine their life. Life on other planet is not possible because of absence of water. Almost 3/4 part of Earth is covered by water. 97% of this water is salty ocean, while 3% of this water is drinkable to use. My dear fellows, we all know about the water cycle, through which the water comes back to the earth through evaporation. Many people will sit carelessly while they know that there is only 1% of water which is drinkable to use. My dear fellows, in the end, I will say that is more possible because of the lack of water than the lack of food. Thank you. teacher. My class fellows have prepared a short drama on the topic of saving water and saving our future. So please welcome the students of grade 5. So please welcome the students of grade 5 executed in the short sketch while Arun Khan as an narrator. Condition of water in 2016. A boy gets up in the morning, goes to the washroom, opens the tap, wets his face, and start applying soap on his face and let the water go wasted. He wastes a lot of water. His mother from the outside door of the washroom shouts.
Umair, beta, come out of the washroom, don't waste water.
But he doesn't listen. In the afternoon, he goes into the washroom to take a shower. He opens the tap, wet his body, and starts applying soap and shampoo on his body. He washes his body parts after parts and wastes a lot of water. His mother shouts.
Umair, beta, come out of the washroom, don't waste water, you will need this water one day.
But he doesn't listen. The condition of water in 2030. Now, Umair is a grown-up man, and he had a daughter. One day, she gets up in the morning, goes to the washroom, opens the tap, wets her face, and closes the tap. After applying soap on her face, she opens the tap, and there was no water. She cries.
Mama, Papa, there is no water, how will I wash my face? Mama, Papa, there is no water.
Her father comes and gives her water to wash her face. After washing her face, she asks,
Papa, why didn't you save water when you were a child? Now how will I live without water?
Umair realized.
Oh my God, what have I done?
Outside, a lot of people were standing in a line. Outside. Outside, a lot of people were standing to fill their buckets from the water supply. मैडम आपने सुबह से 4 बाल्टियां भरी हैं, मैं एक तो भरने दिया।
मैं सबसे पहले आई हूँ, मेरी एक बाल्टी रह गई, मुझे तो भरने दो। मैंने घर जाके 3 बच्चे नहलाने हैं।
Oh, why you came first? I was standing here.
I came first. I need water first.
और अब पानी चलेगा। ओ यार, फिर पानी चलेगा। ओ यार, अब फिर ऑफिस से लेट हो जाऊंगा। Ladies, please move. What I've got. My dear fellows, as you have seen, what could be our future if we do not take care of the natural resource water today? So, use water wisely and save it wherever you can. Remember, save water, save nature, save future. Thank you.
Well, that was excellent.
Dear fellows, good thoughts are always appreciated. To share her valuable thought of the day, I invite Laiba Hussain. Please welcome her.
The thought of the day is Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam passed by a person performing wudu. He
our world, our Mother Nature.
It is our world, our Mother Nature.
We need to save water and our future.
We need to save water and our future.
It's calling us.
It's calling us.
It's calling us.
It's calling us.
It's a once in a lifetime chance to save the world, save water and save the world. Well, that was awesome.
Yes, Pablo, that is all from our side.
I hope you have learned about the importance of water for saving the future.